Hello, this is Cal Burgess with CustomInsured. This is a continuation of our podcast series of understanding all your health insurance options. What we've done is created a podcast series to educate those who are not offered insurance by their employer, giving them all the options, including healthcare.gov and everything that's outside of healthcare.gov, in order to make the best decision for the coverage for themselves or yourself and your family. So in this particular podcast, what I want to discuss is finding the best coverage for the best price, or essentially, where's the fulcrum point? How do we balance that out? Well, it all has to do with what your needs are. I come across some clients that go to the doctor sometimes 5-6 times a year. And now one of them may be for a well checkup, the other one be for an eye doctor, another one to go see a heart specialist for preventative reasons only. They want to be able to catch something in advance. Another one may be an allergy doctor, and then last but not least, a chiropractor, etc. So depending on what your needs are, will determine on what kind of a package we're going to put together for you. However, there's the other side of the spectrum at all, where the person's not sick and they're not going to go to the hospital unless there's something wrong. So in situations like that, we'll give them accidental coverage, catastrophic coverage, hospitalization, and surgery, and then we'll just limit the amount of outpatient. Part of the lore of what we do is we create customized solutions as opposed to a one-trick pony, meaning we can adjust coverage based on what your needs are and add as much outpatient to your plan that you can handle, or take that outpatient coverage away, making sure that you have the right plan that works for you. So in order to determine this, you probably want to look first at what kind of a plan you have right now. What do you think that plan is missing? Are you concerned about a $6,000 deductible? Are you concerned about only having a few doctors in your network? What is it that you feel that you're lacking in the policy? Of course, maybe outside of cost, but within the coverage itself. So based on what your needs are, we're going to try to fill the holes in to make sure that there's a delicate balance to what you need. So if I meet with 10 different clients, there's going to be 8 to 10 different types of insurance that we set up. Some of the clients really like the idea of rehabilitation insurance with outpatient. Others like a policy that pays you $50,000 cash if you get diagnosed with cancer, called our Cancer First policy. Other people like extra outpatient for their eye doctor, because they know that when they look inside your eyes, they can diagnose many diseases and catch that ahead of time. So depending on what your approach to the to medical treatment is how we're going to make the recommendation. So it's always based on your needs, not what we think everybody should have. Now, we'll be upfront and let you know, hey, you don't really want to let go of your catastrophic plan. You want to keep that. If anything, maybe get rid of your outpatient, just because that catastrophic plan is going to get you into MD Anderson, the Mayo Clinic, etc., if you have to fight a major disease. Whereas, of course, the outpatient plan is going to only pay about maybe 1% of that total bill. So depending on how you have everything set up or how you approach the your medical visits is how we're gonna, how we're gonna come to a determination of what kind of coverage you need. So in order to learn more information about this, please reach out, guys. We can have initial consultation. Doesn't mean that we need to do business. It just means that you're lacking information that you need to make the right choice, and we can provide that for you. So you can reach out to us at CustomInsured.com. Find us on Facebook at CustomInsured as well. Please stay tuned. I think we have 1 or 2 more podcasts after this one. I can't remember how many there is, but this is a series. I guess there's one more. There's a series of 7. So please reach out to us. We'll love to be able to hear from you. We have all the educational resources you could ever handle to make the right decision. And once again, that's what we're trying to do. We want to be more flexible as opposed to being a one-trick pony. So this is Cal Burgess signing off on this episode, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.